Hey everyone! Today I'm excited to share an unboxing and first impression of the UNbrush that was sent to me. I've heard so many amazing things about this brush and I can't wait to try it out. Let's dive right in and see what we got. The packaging looks really nice. It feels premium right from the start. The brush is sleek and lightweight. I love the color too. It looks really stylish. Okay, let's take a closer look. The design is super ergonomic and the bristles are really flexible, which is supposed to help with detangling without pulling or tugging. I can already tell this is going to be gentle on my hair. Alright, now it's time to put it to the test on dry hair. I'm curious to see how well it works. Oh wow, this is gliding through my hair effortlessly. No pulling or snagging at all. It's completely pain-free. I can definitely feel how gentle it is, even on dry hair. My hair feels so smooth and manageable already. This brush really made the whole process quick and easy. So overall, I definitely recommend the UNbrush if you're looking for a quick and comfortable solution to tangles. It's been a total game changer for me.